Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your view size in Outlook. So firstly, go to your Outlook account. Now when you reach your Outlook account, there are few things that you can actually move. For example, if you want to make your inbox size a little bigger, so just go at this line until this icon appear and just hold it. So as you can see, the size is increasing. You can increase or decrease the inbox size as may you like. You can also remove this panel just by clicking on this arrow, and that column will disappear. If you again want to see the column, just press on the arrow key and you will get the column. But when you click outside, the column will again disappear. To make it permanent, just again go back to the arrow and click on the pin button, which will pin the column right here. So that's how you can increase or decrease your column areas in Outlook. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.